When arriving on site with a customer complaint of no water, assess the type of system. After making sure the power is on, remove the cover of the VFD. Start with the voltmeter to determine if there is power and if the power is correct for the installed equipment. Touch the voltmeter leads to line 1 and line 2, which show 493 volts, which is within the typical range for 480 volt power. We then do the same with line 1 and line 3, which shows only 243 volts, and line 2 and line 3, which only shows 250 volts. These are incorrect. We then test each line to the ground wire to determine which line is the problem. Line 1 to ground is 284, line 2 to ground is 285, but line 3 to ground is only 137. Turn the power off and open the disconnect. We find a fuse is missing. Replace the fuse and retest the incoming power. We now have 492 volts between each combination of wire and 284 to ground. Unfortunately, there is still no water. Clamp the ammeter around one pump wire. The ammeter verifies that the pump is not running. Turn the power off, let the VFD discharge, and remove the 3 pump wires. Using the ohm meter set to the ohm scale, test the black and yellow and red and black wire combinations. Seeing an open line reading means there is either a broken wire or loose connection. Go to the wellhead and remove the cap. We find that the lateral wires in the ground and the pump drop cable are not connected. Once reconnected, use the ohm meter to retest the wires and find resistance of 7.4 ohms, which is acceptable for the motor and length of wire. While the pump wires are disconnected from the VFD, use the Megohmmeter to test the integrity of the wire insulation and the motor windings. Touch the black lead of the Megohmmeter to the ground wire and touch the red lead to each of the pump wires. The Megohmmeter displays a value of I, infinity, which is within the specifications of a motor in good condition installed in a well. Reconnect the wires, clamp the ammeter around one wire, and turn the power back on. The ammeter displays 4.5 amps. The pump is now running within the specified amperage for this size motor, and the pump is producing water. Replace VFD cover, and your service call is now completed. As you can see, electrical meters can be very helpful when troubleshooting a well system.